Hi guys, welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. I am JB bringing you another video here today. Let's talk XRP, what's going on across the TA, if there's any news on obviously some of the data that's going on around XRP, some very interesting things going on recently. If you guys do enjoy this video today, please do give us a like, please do subscribe and tap on that bell selecting all the notifications. If you're new here, you never want to miss a video coming to you from Cheeky Crypto. There's lots coming out now, some really interesting, cool things we are working on. You don't want to be missing what's going on here at the channel. If you guys are watching on X, please do give us a like and a repost. Let's get this video out to as many like-minded people in the space as possible. So we're going to have a look at XRP, some interesting things going on. Jumping on here to start off with, we will start down on the 1 hour chart. It's been a little while since I've done an XRP video here on YouTube, and we did obviously previously look at this 5-wave move to the downside, where we do see another pattern forming out here. It looks like we are going to be in for another pullback for the price action of XRP. We did obviously see this impulsive move to the downside continue, where I don't think we are complete. We do have this move over here, as I am treating right now as a wave 1 of this next move to the downside. We can obviously target this one out with more in depth here, where we can see internally right here, we do have another set of nested 5-wave moves. Sorry, there, I was concentrating on what I was doing there. We do have this 5-wave move down internally here, which appears to be a wave 3 of this next move to the downside, where we can obviously look at here, we have the first wave, the second wave, the third wave. We do have this push up in the fourth wave, which has not crossed the wave 1 low point. We will expect another push to the downside to come here for the price action of XRP. And validation of this would be at 49.121 cent. So as we come on to the price action, we can see we do have this pattern to the upside, where we are looking for this to be rejected from and move on down in this 5th wave. We can see we are testing the equilibrium on the 1 hour chart here and the 50 EMA, looking to have this act as support on the meantime. Going into the weekend, we obviously can expect this to trade sideways. I don't expect much volatility this weekend. We do have the 200 EMA sitting a little bit higher here, which we may go up and test before breaking on down. So overall, we are looking for this move to the downside, where we can target out where we are likely to see the price action of XRP going, where we can drag this box here over. We're looking between 45.218 cent down as low as 44.120 cent. From its current price, you know, you're looking at another 6 to 8% pullback in the price for XRP. Fantastic trading opportunity on the table. However, we have obviously came up quite close to test this 49.121 cent area, the wave 1 low. We do not want to push higher than this. If we do, we invalidate this move to the downside under this structure. Not to say we are not looking for this move to happen. We can look down here at the stochastic RSI. We can see the 1 hour is pushing back up towards the oversold area, with the 4 hour already in the overbought area. The 4 hour already in the overbought area. The 4 hour is expecting a move to the downside. As we look here onto smart money concepts, we can see we do have a weak low on the chart. Whilst we are testing equilibrium, smart money concepts is indicating we are expecting another push to the downside to break through the weak low on the chart here set at the wave 3. Obviously this low being at 45.910. I do expect us to push down and fill out this target area of 45.218 down to 44.120. As we zoom out a little bit here, we can see that this all falls in line with the target area we have been watching for quite some time for this wave 3, where we do see the impulsive trigger coming at the lower end of this area at 44.880. Guys, we've been watching this for quite some time. We're looking for this push to come to the downside for the price action of XRP. Moving on to the 1-day chart, we can see we're still well within the structure here of this push to the downside. We've been monitoring this 5th wave of the 3rd wave for quite some time. We can see the 50 and the 200 EMAs starting to get very close, guys. Are we looking at a death cross to form here on the 1 day? Obviously we're looking at XRP paired up with USDT. BitGet is the data source for these ones we are looking at currently. So we can see that these two EMAs, they are starting to contract, get very close together. Obviously this is an indication of what has happened, not what is going to happen. But as this price does get close, these two EMAs do get closer together. As the price is set to move back down, we will see the 50 EMA most probably cross lower than the 200 EMA. Obviously a very bearish sign which we do expect obviously this price action to continue the move to the downside in this third wave, where we are targeting the move overall down to 39.214 to 35.214. This would be the fifth wave of the third wave. I do expect us to see this within the next few weeks. Overall, we do see this pattern emerging out quite well here, with the waves 1, 2, the wave 3 still in play, with the waves 4 and wave 5 crossing below the minimum expectation of this wave 3 low over here at the 41.939. So all cards on the table, I do expect the price action to fall again for XRP. Fantastic trading opportunity. The only way to invalidate this, first of all, is by crossing the origin of this move to the downside at 55.750 cent, and to completely break the structure, this wave 4 pushing higher than 67.500 cent. This looks like a million miles away right now. I do expect further pressure to the downside on the 1-day chart, especially for XRP. Jumping up here onto the weekly chart, moving over to Binance, more history, more data, more accurate for looking at the price action. For a while we were obviously looking at this trend line. We could see that XRP was finding it as support constantly on this move to the upside, coming back down. We broke the trend line but closed above it. We broke the trend line, closed above it. We broke the trend line, closed below it. We now have another candle closed below this trend line. This candle we are on for this week, we're looking for this also to close below this trend line, where we can also see the price action on the weekly is now below the 50 weekly EMA. We are testing the 200 weekly EMA. If this candle closes below the 200 weekly EMA, this is a very bearish sign for the price action for XRP, where obviously we do expect this price to close below the 200 weekly EMA. Obviously the pattern we are looking at playing out here is this impulsive 5-wave move to the downside, where again we could potentially see another death cross on the 1-week chart. For the price action for XRP, this would be the 50 weekly EMA crossing lower than the 200 weekly EMA. A few weeks out to see this happen, but all eyes are on XRP. We are looking for this move down. We've been monitoring for again quite some time to 33.2 cent, down as low as 30 cent, a previous area of support and resistance, which coincides with the 618 fib retracement level, where we can expect a reversal potentially for XRP. Let us know, guys, do you think this is the bear market bottom, or will we see a new bear market low for XRP, where we are obviously targeting out some monstrous gains in the next bull run for the price action for XRP. I want to know your guys' thoughts and your opinions. Where do you think we will see XRP bottom out in this bear market, and how high can XRP go? Obviously we have everything going on over in New York with the XRP celebration party. Yeah, let us know what you think of the XRP party, what you think the big announcement is going to be over there. I'm very interested to know your guys' thoughts. Jumping on here, we will quickly go over to memberships.𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗖𝗋.io. The way I like to title it, your one-stop shop for all things crypto. Some fantastic developments coming to the website very, very soon. Obviously down in our Discord, which is free to join, Nick has been dropping some sneak peeks on the developments, the changes that are coming to memberships.𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗖𝗋.io. Absolutely groundbreaking stuff here. It's not one you guys are going to want to miss. We do have a 7-day free trial on all plans. No obligation to stay on after the 7 days. You can go up to your membership here and cancel before any payments are taken. Lots of bolt-ons you can add on here. You can do TA on request. You can have your twice weekly AMAs, your twice weekly live charting sessions with myself and Festoon. Lots going on. Absolutely lots here. Not one to be missed on, guys. Check it out, memberships.𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗖𝗋.io, your one-stop shop for all things crypto. But what we have came here for is data and the XRP data. We'll bring it up here so we can zoom in, where we can see obviously all the interesting things that are going on for XRP. We can see its all-time high of $2.10 in its days since its all-time high 2,078 days. We are currently 85.40% from its all-time high. And we can also see here in the last 24 hours there have been 986,927 transactions, costing just $817 US, or the equivalent of 1,687 XRP. Fantastic value for what's going on in this project. If you're not bullish on XRP already, you really should be. Check out what's going on. A fantastic project. Moving on here to liquidations, we can see in the last 24 hours there was $778,000 worth of liquidations, with Bybit being the exchange with the highest amount, we can see Bybit liquidating over $515,000 worth of liquidations, of which 57.24% were longs, 42.76% were short positions. And looking through the data here, everything, you know, it's there or thereabout. Binance kind of being the opposite way here, liquidating more shorts than longs. Longs 63,000 and shorts $125,000 worth. But Bybit, we can see $333,000 worth of long positions liquidated and just $182,000 worth of shorts. OKX kind of matching up with the consensus here, the 60-40 split that's pretty much there, 50,000 to 22,000, so no real anomalies. However, we can see Huobi not liquidating any longs, but only liquidating $2,000 worth of shorts. Not really worried about this figure for now. But as always, guys, keep your eye on exchanges, keep your eye on liquidations. These are obviously how we caught FTX well in advance of FTX liquidating. Keep your eye on the exchanges as much as you can. Moving on up to the wallet counts here, where we can see some very interesting facts. Over the last 7 days, the whales have been selling their XRP. We can see the wallet counts are down 0.1% in the last 7 days, dropping from 276,320 wallets down to 276,048 wallets. So over 300 wallets have sold off their XRP. These are wallets holding over 10,000 XRP tokens in them. They have been selling off their XRP. We can see that obviously correlating the price in the chart. However, we'll go up the wallet counts here. Wallets holding over 100,000 XRP. Well, we've got a gain of over 100 wallets holding over 100,000 XRP. These are up 0.42% in the last 7 days. But previously we did see these guys dropping. These guys did take some profits, and it looks like after taking profits, these guys are starting to pick back up again. Very interesting to see. Wallets holding over 1 million XRP, well, these guys are sitting quite nice right now. 2,118 wallets, up from 2,113. This is a gain of almost 0.25%. Fantastic to see. Where obviously previously we did see these guys again taking profits. These guys did take profits on the price dip for XRP, obviously causing the dip, but these guys took their profits in the last 90 days. These are down 0.14% in the last 3 months. The last 30 days. They're down 0.47%, but we can see this number starting to creep back up again, up to 2,118 wallets. These guys are buying the dip for XRP. As we move down the wallet counts here, wallets holding over 1,000 XRP, they're continuing to accumulate XRP, up from 850,851 wallets up to 851,447, a gain of 0.07. Nothing groundbreaking just yet, but when you consider the fact that this is over 1,400, is it 1,400 wallets? Yeah, it is about 1,400 wallets these guys have gained. No, it's not, 600 wallets, I do apologise. Gaining over 1,000 XRP, great accumulation for the price action going forward for XRP. Over the last 30 days, up 1.42%. Over the last 90 days, up 3.39%. Over the last 6 months, up almost 8%. And in the last year, up almost 30%. We can see the adoption, the amount of people holding XRP is phenomenal. And we see that again with the wallets holding over 100 XRP. These are now 1.552 million wallets holding over 100 XRP, up almost 0.1% in the last 7 days, 1.1% in the last 30 days, almost 3% in the last 3 months, up 6.24% in the last 6 months, and in the last year up almost 22%. We continue to see these smaller wallets buying XRP whenever this price pulls back. It's fantastic to see. However, do not shy away from the fact right now we do see the whales selling XRP, not massive amounts, but we do see it nonetheless. 0.1% in the last 7 days have sold XRP. These are wallets holding over 10,000 XRP. Should you be worried, or are you bullish? Let us know in the comments down below. I think this is a good sign. We will see these guys start to pick up XRP on this next pullback. As we move over and look at some of the news that's going on, well, this is quite an interesting one, and it's one I kind of align with what's going on. Ripple aiding the XRP wave. Analysts optimistic about a $5.85 price target when this happens. Market experts have predicted that XRP might reach as high as $5.85 once a certain correction is phased out. The correction, which obviously we have covered in the TA today. They also talk about Ripple's upcoming victory party will play a role in boosting XRP, with a major announcement to be confirmed during the event. Please let us know your thoughts on this major announcement, what you think it may be, and what you think it may have to help the price action of XRP, what effect it may have. So as we come on to the article, XRP investors are optimistic that the digital asset will set a new all-time high really soon. Market commentator going by the name of the Dark Defender on X has made a prediction of $5.85 on XRP. Interestingly, the all-time high of $3.84. I don't know why that's interesting. It's kind of, public knowledge. We all kind of know that already. Before it can reach such levels, the digital asset will face a turbulent few weeks. For the last couple of days, XRP has hovered above 46 cent, a support level. This is crucial. If it's breached, it will lead to a retest of the 39 cent low. After the ruling of Judge Torres that XRP is not secure a few months ago, the coin rallied to 93 cent before facing major resistance. So we come back over here onto the charts. Well, we do see that the surge to the upside after Torres' announcement, well, it's all been reclaimed. This whole pump to the upside has all been reclaimed, or nearly all been reclaimed, which we do expect to be fully reclaimed on this pullback. So where can we see the price action going from here? Well, this analysis commented at $5.85, which I don't think is out the realms of possibility. We could see this as this C-wave correction to the upside on the 1 week chart. So this pullback we do expect to finish off, coming down testing, let's say 33 cent just now. We could see a 1-to-1 retracement for the price action up to $4.75. This market analysis predicting $5.85 falling in between the 1-to-1 and the 1.236 retracement, I do think is essentially a possibility for the price action of XRP. However, I think their timing is off. For it to happen during the Ripple celebration party, I think is a bit too optimistic. I think that we could potentially see this in the bull run. I just think right now, for it to happen within a couple of months, I don't think that's the case, but I might be wrong there, guys. Let us know in the comments down below. Do you think we could see it surge up to $5.85 during the celebration party? It will be interesting to know your thoughts on this one. We're moving up here to BitGet. This is obviously my go-to exchange. It's the one I trust the most in the space currently. I do believe BitGet has a fantastic future. We can obviously see BitGet celebrating turning 5. Fantastic to see. If you haven't checked out BitGet already, guys, it is linked in the description down below. We have the affiliate link there. It does help the channel out. Plenty of opportunities here to earn on BitGet just for completing your KYC. There's obviously the KCGI tournament here, went up to 2.6 million USDT and also $300,000 worth of BGB tokens in the KCGI tournament. Fantastic to see. I do trust BitGet. It's obviously good to have exposure to as many exchanges as you can for the next bull run. You may obviously have issues getting off exchanges. BitGet is obviously my go-to platform. 100% of my leverage trades are done there, almost all of my spot buys. If you haven't checked it out, guys, I do advise you to check it out. We'll jump on here into our Discord where we can see some of the trades have been fantastic recently. The guys have been killing it. We have Drewster doing over 100% in 2 separate trades here. We have Charlie 65% on a 20x long for Solana. Fantastic to see. We'll love to see it. We have Jason over 32% on a vet long. Excellent to see. And then Drewster absolutely smashing it recently. I don't know what you've been doing differently recently, mate, but you've been absolutely smashing these trades. We have Jeremy of 50% gain on a 40x long for ADA. Excellent to see also. Check it out, guys. This is the kind of content you're going to get down our Discord. Again, it is free to join, not one to be slept on. So as we do have a look at the price action, let's have a look at some trades for XRP. What could we be doing here? Because there is some good opportunities on the table. Well, we do expect this pull back to happen, a pull to the downside for XRP. We can obviously look for a short position. Let's just take its current market price. Well, we know we don't want to breach the wave 1 low, so we can set our stop loss slightly above the wave 1 low, and we're looking for this pull down to happen down towards the 45 cent area. However, we know we're looking for this 1.618 impulsive trigger level down at 44.880. So we can just pencil this one in, 880. We are looking at a potential 7.54% gain for XRP in the short position. Let us know, guys, is this a trade that you're looking to enter? As we can see, the price is possibly going to push up to the 200 EMA, so you can maybe scalp a nice entry up here, pushing this percentage return up to 8.46%. There is some fantastic trading opportunities down on our Discord, guys. Check it out, not one to be missed. So I'll like to wrap this one up here, guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Let us know all your thoughts on what we have spoke about today. We will be keeping an eye on the price action of XRP down in our Discord. If you guys are going to trade, please do trade safely. Have a nice tight stop loss, making some great gains, staying safe in the space. And until next time, guys, have a nice day.